Hey friends, welcome to Frank's Monster Garage. Let's find some monster trucks. Check this one out. It's Big Bite, Snakefoot. And who's this? It's Storm Damage. Got a cool green roof. And it's orange and yellow on the side. Oh, it's El Super Fast though. It's a really super fast monster truck. It says pow, bang. Wow, it's pretty neat. Who's this orange one? El Toro Loco. And it's Triceratops. It's a pretty cool looking monster truck. And who's this over here? It's Radical Racer. Oh, look at this superhero. Do you know which superhero this is? It's got a spider on the hood. It's Spider-Man. I know you could call Donkey Kong a superhero, I guess, but it's Donkey Kong. Whoa, look at this gravedigger over here. Is that the Joker? Is he a superhero or a supervillain? I don't know. Ooh, it's a Triceratops, a purple one. It's Jurassic Attack. Check this one out over here. It's a pink poodle. It's Monster Mutt Poodle. It's Max D, but it's not any ordinary Max D. It's Fire Max D. It looks like its tires are on fire. Look at this. It's Lumberjack. Their tires are on the ground. Oh, look, it's Gangster. Oh, check out this unicorn. Do you know the name of this one? It's Sparkle Smash. Whoa, this one's so pretty. It's Pure Muscle. Look at this. It's Invader. But it's a glow-in-the-dark one. Whoa, that's so cool. And look at this over here. It's Hotweiler. And who's this? It's Buns of Steel. It's a hamburger and french fries. Check out this one over here. It's Town Hauler. It's pretty cool. It's got little spikies on its wheel though. Whoa, look at this. It's Dragon. Oh, I wonder if this one breathes fire. Oh, look, it's another Invader. It's the black one. This one doesn't glow in the dark, though. It's pretty cool. Oh, man, it's a big giant fish. It's Piranha. Oh, no, he's biting my finger. Oh, no. Just kidding. Look at this El Toro Loco. It's so cool. Oh, and there's Roland back there from the Dirt Squad. Let's see all the monster trucks we found. We found Dragon, Max D, Jurassic Attack, El Super Fasto, Storm Damage, Snakefoot Big Bite, El Toro Loco, Triceratops, Radical Racer, Spider-Man, Donkey Kong, Gravedigger, Joker, Monster Mutt Poodle, Lumberjack, Invader, Piranha, Town Hauler, Buns of Steel, Hotweiler, and another Invader glow in the dark, Pure Muscle, Sparkle Smash, Gangster, El Toro Loco, and Roland. We found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 monster trucks. That's a lot of monster trucks. Which one was your favorite? I really like Donkey Kong. See you next time, friends.